Speech recognition enables the computer to recognize and translate human speech into digital text. Instead of typing on a traditional keyboard, users communicate with the computer by speaking. In Calypso, we can have Cosmo respond to our speech by typing in the words that we're going to say. Let's try it. Put in one here. Hello, Cosmo. And say, hello, human. Enter execution mode. Greet Cosmo by saying, hello, Cosmo.
Hello, Cosmo.
Hello, human.
Something else we can try. In Calypso, leave the when clause empty and put in express frustrated once. On the second line, put in when here, cheer up, Cosmo. Express happy once. Enter execution mode and Cosmo will show frustration once. You can see a green bubble indicating that on the world map. Now when you say cheer up, Cosmo, the speech that is recognized will be displayed on the top of the world map as orange text. Now see if you can cheer him up. Cheer up, Cosmo.